Howdy, folks. I trying to beat the thunderstorms again, and I got my P38. Which reminds me, well, let's go for a flight. It's off. Half throttle. Okay, it's doing sweetly. But I know now I've got too much down thrust in the motors. Sorry, I'm focused. Oh, she shines so sweetly. I got it smoothed out, that's for sure. Check out that roll rate. Yeah, I increased the throttle, and boy, she pulls down. That's okay. Sorry, I'm keeping it out there, but
hey man, I don't feel like going to school no more.
it's
Me neither.
kind of a handful.
You can't make me go.
I mean, the speed is a handful.
Yeah.
Flying smooth.
I ain't going to school. It starts too early for me. Listen man, I ain't going to school no more.
Off trim.
It starts much too early for me. I don't care about reading, writing, arithmetic, or history. I'm gonna walk to the
That's
corner
about right.
to meet my little Marie. I'm gonna walk to the corner to meet my little Marie. Well, she's the only girl in this whole
Holy
world
crap.
who understands me. Well, she's
Thing is,
17,
so fun.
little rock and roll queen. Acts a little bit obscene. Gotta let off a little steam. Dig that sound, shake it around the room.
I am not even pushing the throttle,
And me and Jimmy and Jack.
especially at low altitude.
Two little number on the hinge when she turns her back.
I might be touch nose heavy. But this thing is twice as fast as the other one at half throttle.
They play rock and roll music like it hasn't been rocked for years. Well, she's sexy and
Okay,
17, my little rock
just because
that's a little bit I say. Gotta let all the little steam.
bring it in.
Sand and shaking around your
I should be pretty close. Oh my God. Oh, hit a pothole on my train. Oh yeah. I couldn't see that. Hope I didn't break a prop. Luckily I did the AliExpress. Check out that hole I just went into. Damn it. Props okay. Props are okay. Gem fan. I'm a fan. Jeez. Put a pothole there anyway. The ground handling on that, totally nuts. So good with differential thrust. Well, I'm gonna call that one, and pond awaits. So do those thunderclouds. See you later. Hi Rick. Hi Brian and Sherba. Hi Gina. Hi, of course, George. Loved the helicopter. That was so much fun. Hey, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.